And we had a small 5-room bungalow with an attic room and a bathroom that had been built onto the house, and that's where I slept. I had my own private room, and I had a bathroom, and I could look out of a second-story window over this little corner house we lived in. And every time I'd hear someone else is coming, you know, this weekend, you'll have to move out of your room, I'd say, who is it this time? And anyway, we had a sleeping couch in the library and a little bedroom downstairs, and I would take all my things down with me and try to make do and, you know, change everything around about what was going on for me. My dad used to pick everybody up. My mother used to cook and make meals, and we'd be, and guests would be invited, and we'd be sitting around the table, and I was sort of the odd pin at the table, sitting in a corner somewhere, eating along with them, because I understood Yiddish from hearing it all my life. I, you know, was in on conversations about bits and pieces. Mostly, there'd be arguments or very intense discussions about politics and what was happening or times in the world at the time. And my mother was always in the kitchen preparing food, and it was always a busy time, and it happened so frequently, it just became, oh, there's someone here again, you know, kind of feeling, and not once or twice a year, but, you know, a little more often than that. And it always made me feel either comfortable or uncomfortable. I just remember as a kid either wanting to eat and hurry up and, you know, find a spot to go to or wherever, let them have their talking and discussions, or I didn't understand what was happening, or I wanted to stay and watch someone or listen to something because I found it something I could, you know, inhale because it was around everywhere, you know. Those are more impressions that I have in my memories are the attitude of the company, whether it was positive or negative, or it was happy or sad over something that was happening at the time. And, you know, it was after the World War and the Holocaust and times there were a lot of emotional get-togethers that I remember. That more exactly what it was about, just a sense of it being part of something that was happening.